Alright guys, so I received a few questions about where do I purchase my supplies from for my lip gloss business. I'm at Walmart and I'm going to show you some of the items that you can purchase here. Number one, since I'm a wholesaler, I like to use these treat boxes. They're in the section with the cake supply. Treat boxes with window, 3 pieces, 3 count for $4.72, and you can also get the brown boxes with window. These are really cute too. Item number 2, you're going to need a container or bowl to store your glosses in, as well as something to make your glosses in. And I would normally aim for something like this. 3 pack for $4.96. Next, you will need a measuring cup. They have measuring cups all sizes, but you know, we're on a budget here. These clear measuring cups are only 97 cents. All right, next you're going to need something to mix your glosses with. I was looking for a spoon, but since this is a budget-friendly video, this is the cheapest that I could find. And the spatula does come in handy because at the end of, you know, making your lip gloss, you really want to get as much gloss out of the container as possible. So this will do. Paper towels. You can just grab your cheap roll of paper towel for 68 cents. All right, next on the list we have gloves. Now, you can get like there's 1 pair of gloves, but they do have, oh, here it is. Here's 5 pair of gloves for $2.18, or you can get the big pack for $11.18. Next, we have the aluminum foil. I like to put the aluminum foil down first and then add the paper towel, because sometimes the gloss and the oils will seep through the paper towel. So you can get foil for $1.82, and this is the Great Value brand. All right, plastic spoon. So if you don't want to use a spatula, you don't have to, but they do have a 100 pack of spoons for $3.68. As far as shipping supplies, these are not all that cheap, but they do have poly mailers here. 25 in a pack for $6.34. They have black and they also have white, and boxes of all sizes. So normally I will go for the boxes at the bottom row. 68 cents, 88 cents, and 98 cents. And they also have bubble mailers, 20 pack for 98 cents. They have brown and they also have white. The white is 78 cents.
Let's go back.
$10 starter kit, 24 hours.